Women are like flowers, delicate and beautiful, making the world more colorful and wonderful. However, do you know that any small negligence will mercilessly take away your health and beauty? Every intelligent, beautiful, and healthy woman in the new era needs careful care. Due to the pressure of life, personal habits, external environment, and other factors, is your health being seriously damaged by a variety of gynecological diseases? According to the World Health Organization survey, 62% of women with gynecological diseases are caused by using shoddy sanitary napkins or improper use of sanitary napkins during menstruation. Menstruation is the time when women have the lowest immunity. They are vulnerable to headache, abdominal pain, leukorrhea increase, cervicitis, vaginitis, vulvar pruritus, swelling, and other diseases. Women should pay more attention to their reproductive health, especially during menstruation. So, it is particularly important to choose a safe and comfortable sanitary napkin. SMACIN is one who takes care of your health. Now, let's do an experiment to compare SMACIN sanitary napkins with those bought in supermarkets. First of all, SMACIN sanitary napkins are packaged with food-grade aluminum film, and the seal is easy to pull repeatedly. It can be sealed repeatedly to prevent moisture, mildew, and bacteria. The sanitary napkins bought casually in the supermarket are packaged with disposable plastic, which cannot be sealed again if it is opened, which is easy to breed bacteria and form secondary pollution. Secondly, the inner packaging of sanitary napkin has perfect 8-layer design. Take out the independent inner package. The first thing to see is the 8th layer, release film. The release film is made by hydraulic pressure, 360-degree wrapping the napkin body, which is thin, healthy, and safe. The competitor product is just ordinary folding packaging, which cannot be compared with our sanitary napkins in terms of hygiene and safety. After opening the release film, the first layer of sanitary napkin is perforated non-woven fabric. The perforated non-woven fabric is soft and comfortable. It is super gentle to the skin and keeps it dry. The second layer is the chip. Chip function: 3-in-1 function chip, magnetic, anion, far infrared, magnetic detection. Prepare a magnetic detector, press and hold the switch while rubbing the detector on the position of the sanitary napkin chip. You will hear the prompt normal magnetic detection. Surface comfort. The surface of SMACIN sanitary napkin is soft and comfortable. Using sanitary napkins with rough surface, many women will suffer from inflammation and itching after menstruation, which is caused by the friction of rough surface. Water absorption test. The biggest effect of sanitary napkin is its strong water absorption. The maximum amount of menstrual blood of a woman during menstruation is 15 milliliters, and 15 milliliters water is extracted and injected into the sanitary napkin. Compare the absorption of the two sanitary napkins. The SMACIN sanitary napkin is dry without moisture, while the competitor product is wet with water spilling out. If menstrual blood cannot be completely absorbed in 15 minutes, it will produce a large number of anaerobic bacteria, which are the main culprit of various gynecological diseases in women. Now, take the sanitary napkin apart, and the green one in the middle is the second layer with 3-in-1 energy chip, which has 3 functions of magnetic power, far infrared, and negative ions. We use the chip to wrap the cigarette to demonstrate the effect of aniline in removing odor. For the cigarette just wrapped, the chip will have the flavor of cigarette, but the flavor of cigarette itself will become lighter. Water locking factor. The fifth layer is the water locking factor extracted from natural plants. When water molecule is larger than water locking factor, it can dissolve in water. When it is larger than water molecule, it can lock water. Now there is 150 milliliters water left in the cup. I will put the water absorption factor in the cup to see if it can absorb water again. When the water locking factor of SMACIN is put into the water cup, the water is absorbed completely and instantly. Put the water locking factor of the competitor sanitary napkin into the water cup. After absorption, there is still a lot of water left in the cup. Bottom film permeability. Put the same volume of hot water into the water cup. Cover the bottom film on the top of the cup, and then place a dry empty cup. After 3 minutes, it is obvious that the cup on the SMACIN bottom film has water mist, while the cup on the bottom film of a competitor brand has no change. SMACIN sanitary napkin bottom film adopts laser drilling technology, which is breathable but reducing dampness and sultry. In contrast, the bottom film of sanitary napkin is plastic, which is not breathable at all. Women's menstruation is the process of endometrial shedding, which needs ventilation to protect women's health. The sanitary napkins, which are not breathable, are easy to cause women's gynecological diseases. Professor Dai of China Textile University once said that the shoddy sanitary napkin carried by women is like a time bomb, which can cause a mild or severe gynecological disease anytime and anywhere. Choosing the right sanitary napkin is the right way to care for women's health and future. Women are like flowers. The beauty of flowers comes from healthy ovaries. Only by protecting the health of women's ovaries can make women bloom forever.